If you are struggling with your weight or are too hot, too hormonal, or just too done to cook, same. I'm a 46-year-old single mom and personal trainer, and most days I run on caffeine, zero motivation, and no cooked meals that actually keep me lean and sane-ish. Today I'm sharing my lazy girl, no sweat, one-day meal plan because sweating at the gym is enough. Let's go. Hi friends, I am Jana Paskova. I help women in perimenopause and menopause feel strong, healthy, and confident without losing their minds counting every almond. If your hormones are all over the place, you walk into the kitchen and forget why, and all you want is food that won't leave you bloated or cranky, these 3 meals are for you. Let's start with breakfast. First, coffee. I mix in collagen for skin, joints, nails, and the illusion that I slept 8 hours. Plus, it gives me a sneaky 9 grams of protein. Then I down my creatine with morning supplements because science says it helps with brain fog and muscle, and frankly, I need all the help I can get. Imagine starting your day with a breakfast that looks so good it could fool even the health gurus into thinking you are making a gourmet meal. Well, welcome to my creamy, chocolatey protein oats, perfect for lazy mornings. What you'll need: 1/4 cup of dry oats, 1 scoop chocolate protein powder, 1 tablespoon almond or peanut butter, 1 small banana, a handful of berries, and a sprinkle of cinnamon because let's be real, it just makes you feel fancy. This breakfast isn't just pretty, it's packed with antioxidants, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and may support your weight management efforts. Add double the amount of water to your oats and stir. Let it sit for a bit, or if you are anything like me and despise cold mush, pop it in a microwave for about 60 seconds. Stir in the rest of the ingredients, and voila! You are officially nourished and still rocking your pajamas. Enjoy your tasty, guilt-free start to the day. Lunchtime, which means I am hungry but also aggressively uninterested in chopping or cooking anything. So we are making spicy egg avocado wrap, which is my special. You will need 2 hard-boiled eggs. I make a bunch on Sunday. Half to 1 avocado, 1 tablespoon mayo, sriracha, be generous if your soul needs it, salt and pepper, and you can put on a side lettuce, cucumber, and chicken slices if you're feeling extra. Mash it all together, slap it into a wrap, maybe throw in some crunchy veggies, and boom, creamy, spicy, satisfying, and it looks like you tried.
Dinner is technically dessert because I believe in ending the day on a sweet note that doesn't involve wine or rage texting.
Here is what I mix: half cup Greek yogurt, 2% or 5%, let's not fear fat ladies, 1 scoop protein powder, vanilla or chocolate, I am a chocolate girl, half cup berries, sprinkle of grain-free granola or crushed nuts and seeds. It's cold, sweet, crunchy, and ready in under 2 minutes. Plus, it's packed with protein, so you're not standing in front of the fridge at 9 p.m. eating cheese slices. So there you have it. 3 meals, zero cooking, full flavor, and no dishes that will make you want to cry. These meals are hormone-friendly, high in protein, and fiber-packed. Though, fair warning, my kid still begs for good old KD. This one-day no-cook meal plan is just a sample to spark your creativity. It's designed around an active woman who is 127 pounds and 5'6" tall, lifting weights 4 to 5 times a week. But don't worry, we can totally customize it to fit your body, goals, and lifestyle. Let's discover what works best for you together. I would love to hear from you. Do you struggle with your weight loss or staying consistent with your workouts? Share your thoughts in a comment below. I'm here to help. So if you need extra support with your nutrition or training, drop a comment and I will personally get back to you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.